Hey there, pharma professionals! Today, I'm diving into the topic of surrogate endpoints and how they're speeding up cancer drug approvals. Let's get right into it. First off, what exactly are surrogate endpoints? Think of them as stand-ins. In clinical trials, surrogate endpoints act as proxies to predict the effects of a treatment without waiting for the actual clinical outcomes. This is a game changer in drug development, like in oncology, where time is of the essence. Oncology has seen a massive shift thanks to surrogate endpoints like progression-free survival, PFS, and overall response rate, ORR. These markers allow for quicker evaluation of new cancer therapies. Instead of potentially waiting years to see if a treatment improves overall survival, researchers can use these endpoints to get early indications of efficacy. But oncology isn't the only field benefiting. Surrogate endpoints are also making waves in cardiovascular diseases and infectious diseases between other therapeutic areas. They can really help accelerating early-stage drug approvals across the board. Now, let's talk about statistical validation. For surrogate endpoints to be credible, they need rigorous statistical validation. Methods like the Prentice criteria and meta-analytic approaches are crucial here. However, the process isn't without its challenges. Large datasets and complex modeling are often required to ensure these endpoints accurately predict clinical outcomes. Surrogate endpoints also play a pivotal role in health technology assessment, or HTA. They provide early indications of a treatment's value, but there are methodological and ethical challenges. It's essential that surrogate endpoints translate into meaningful patient outcomes. Different HTA bodies, like NICE in the UK and HAS in France, have their own ways of evaluating these endpoints, and these evaluations significantly impact market access and reimbursement strategies. Speaking of market access and reimbursement, surrogate endpoints can be used strategically by pharma companies. They facilitate early engagement with regulators and payers, influencing pricing and reimbursement decisions. However, strong and valid evidence linking these endpoints to clinical outcomes is crucial. Real-world evidence, RWE, and health economics and outcomes research, HER, are also important in supporting the value proposition of new therapies. When we look at global regulatory and HTA policies, there are varying degrees of acceptance for surrogate endpoints. The FDA, EMA, and the regulatory side, or EU NEFTA, have different conditions under which these endpoints are deemed valid for approval. International collaboration is key to developing consensus guidelines. Accepted surrogate endpoints, like those in cardiovascular diseases and HIV treatment, have long and robust evidence backing them. But in oncology, some endpoints remain controversial and often not demonstrated. There's ongoing debate about the correlation between surrogate markers and actual survival benefits. Finally, let's look into the future. Emerging trends such as precision medicine, digital health technologies, and artificial intelligence are set to revolutionize the identification and validation of surrogate endpoints. Regulatory and ethical considerations will shape their future use, highlighting the need for continuous innovation and collaboration. That's all for today. Surrogate endpoints are continuing to transform the landscape of drug development and approval. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible using at good essence surrogate endpoints. Catch you next time!